The focus of this year's forum is idea to impact. We all have ideas. Every one of us has ideas. We have ideas on how to improve things. We have ideas on how to achieve an existing goal. And sometimes we've got ideas on some things that are entirely new and no one's ever thought of. To launch this discussion, we've got 3 seasoned professionals, all successful researchers, but each has a different twist. One is an inventor, one is an innovator, and the third is an economic developer focused on improving the economy of our region in eastern North Carolina. Ted Morris is Associate Vice Chancellor for Innovation and Economic Development. Ted assumed his role as Economic Development here at ECU in 2007. He was well qualified when he arrived here. He had served in a variety of different roles, from Senior Economic Development Officer at North Carolina State University, where he was responsible for connecting faculty, staff, and students with business, government, and communities to foster economic growth. Prior to that, he gained valuable experience in the world of venture capital, investment capital, by investing financial resources in startup companies. Many of these startup companies came from the universities in the Triangle. Next, we have Sam Sears. He's Professor of Psychology, Director of Health Psychology Program here at ECU, and a 2013 recipient of the OMAX Gardner Award. Sam is described as a mentor, professor, psychologist, researcher, and advocate on the campus of ECU. He also arrived here in 2007, and since then he has proven time and time again to have each of these qualities, hence why he's earned the OMAX Gardner Award. This is the highest award awarded to any faculty member of the entire 17-campus system of the University of North Carolina, and it's bestowed by the Board of Governors. Sam came here from the University of Florida, where he gained his undergraduate and graduate degrees and began his professional career. Not only does he treat the patient in a face-to-face environment, but he's also developed a variety of technological tools to allow them to begin to manage their health. He does this by teaching them valuable coping skills. In addition, he's translated his unique experience into development of a mobile application that has been acquired by Medtronic. His research focuses in cardiac psychology, particularly treatment of patients with implantable cardiac defibrillators and those requiring cardiac rehabilitation. Sam is a seasoned industry-sponsored researcher. He's received nearly $600,000 as a lead principal investigator from industry and nonprofit sponsors. Our last speaker is Mike Van Scott, Professor of Physiology, Interim Associate Vice Chancellor of Research, and Chief Research Officer here at ECU. Mike has amassed a successful research career in the study of respiratory health. He earned his BS from Cornell, doctorate from West Virginia University, where he studied brown lung that is prevalently found among textile workers. He came to North Carolina as a postdoc at Chapel Hill, where he studied cystic fibrosis. On his arrival here at ECU, he shifted his focus to the study of allergy and asthma. His research is focused on the impacts of intrinsic factors on cardiopulmonary function and preclinical testing of novel therapeutics for the treatment of asthma, allergies, and respiratory depression. He is a researcher, inventor, collaborator, and recipient of the 5-year Research Award from ECU. Please join me in welcoming Ted, Mike, and Sam.